Hi students, I am Dr. Umadevi Jadram Kunti, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Government First Grade College, Rajnagar, Hubballi. It comes under the Karnataka University, Dharwad. For the fifth semester, paper 2, Ethology and Applied Zoology, in that unit 4 and session 10 is the general principles and courtship behavior in fishes. The courtship behavior objectives and outcome of this session to study the different patterns and mechanism of courtship behavior in three-spined stickleback fish, and outcome of this session is important of learning components by the hypothesis, behavioral ritual ends of courtship behavior in a three-spined stickleback fish. Here, in the courtship behavior, we are taking the two examples. One is the three-spined stickleback fish, and another one is the courtship behavior in birds. What is meant by courtship behavior? Courtship behavior is a social behavior in which there is an interaction between the male and female members of a species leading to mating and reproduction. Courtship evolved due to the fact that very large number of sperms is produced which must search and fertilize a few ova leading to competition among the sperms. So large number of the sperms are there, but only few ovas are there. So that is why the loss of the sperms takes place. So that is why courtship behavior is important to interaction of the male and female gametes to get the offsprings. Courtship behavior plays a key role in animal life by allowing both sexes to find a mate and thereafter proceed into a behavioral ritual ends in successful copulation. Courtship may be rather simple, involving a small number of the chemical, visual, or auditory stimuli, or it may be highly complex series of acts by two or more individuals using several modes of communication. So there are two types, simple one, another one is the complex one. Simple one is performed by the lower organisms by the stimulation of the chemicals, visual and auditory stimulus to get the response for the purpose of the courtship behavior. But in the highly complex series, in the higher animals, using a mode of communication, signals, odor, and by the different methods to find or to get the mate, male or female, get the attraction between them. Courtship behavior in three-spined stickleback fish as the example. Three-spined stickleback fish, the zoological name is Gasterosteus aculeatus. Is found in the ponds, rivers of Europe. Male is a bluish black in color with a bright red belly, while female is a silvery in color. Male finds a place in sandy bottom where there are weeds. Male builds a tunnel-like nest in sand among weeds and defends territory around the nest. Then the male swims near the surface over the nest to invite the females. The nesting behavioral characters is performed by the male stickleback fish. It prepares the nest to attract or to invite the females for the courtship behavior. So the picture shows the three spined stickleback fish have the different mode of behavior for the purpose of the courtship behavior. So other males are attracted and chased away aggressively. Male swims upward from below and stabs the female from below with his dorsal spine. When response of the female is positive, both of them swim in zigzag fashion towards the nest. If female likes the nest, it enters into and male follows the courtship behavior. If the female is not like the nest, it reject the nest, so the courtship behavior or mating not takes place. Male performs the different functions, zigzag pattern, and nest building takes place. Male places his head against the tail fin of female and quivers, which provokes the female to release the eggs. If both male and female attract each other and the female lays the eggs, fertilized eggs, male then deposits his sperms over the eggs and female is chased away. Here, the parental care is performed by the male. Male then swims again to the surface to solicit another female. Up to five females can be made to lay eggs in his nest by the male. So, five females lay the more number of the eggs and get the more offspring. Male then guards the eggs and oxygenated them by fanning with the fins till they hatch. The parental care performed by the male. The more elaborate forms of courtship frequently help strengthen a pair bond that may last through the rising of the young or even longer. Courtship behavior is very important in the continuity of life and the strengthen of the pair bond and to get the wanted species and to get the healthy species and survivability of the species is important by getting the courtship behavior is performed by the two individuals and young or even longer survivability takes place by the parental care of the male. So another important function of courtship behavior is its use as an isolating mechanism, a method of keeping different species from interbreeding. Here same species, inter and intrabreeding, both the types will get the quality of the eggs and quality of the sperms and quality of the species will get it from the inbreeding processes. In that, we have to select the healthy and chasing males with the females to get the courtship behavior and get the healthy species. That is the continuity of the life, and it is important for a animal behavior performed by the three-spined stickleback fish. In that, we are going to study the five MCQ questions to solve that. First question is which mating system involves a male mating with a multiple female during a reproductive season? Monogamy, polygamy, polygyny, and androgyny. Here, polygamy, only one male with a multiple female. Which of the following reproductive behavior can be easily observed? Pheromone release, vocalization, ovulation, and mating dance. Here, mating dance is important in the reproductive behavior or courtship behavior performed by the next. We are going to study the peacock. Peacock mating dance takes place. So the females of which type of animal compete for male attention in a reversal of typical sex roles? Pipefish, eel, goldfish, and pigeons. So the answer is pipefish. Aggressive ritualized courtship behavior performed by three-spined stickleback fish, eel, catfish, goldfish. Here, fourth answer is A, that is three-spined stickleback fish. Sexual intercourse, mating, copulation, courtship, and none of the above. Here we are going to see the answer of copulation. The references of the books, the foundations of ethology, the principles, ideas, and discoveries in animal behavior by the Conrad Lawrence in 1982, ethology and behavioral ethology of marine mammals by Bern Rogel in 2019. So these are the important characteristics of the courtship behavior in a three-spined stickleback fish. Thank you.